There are lots of products we can use on our skin. And lots of devices too for our skin. And of course, you can get facials and masks and all kinds of things you can think of. And on top of that, there are lots of different kind of diet supposed to make our skin looks good. However, have you thought about the muscle we have underneath of our skin? Look at this. A lot of facial muscles. And the facial muscle is a foundation of our skin. And the skin protect muscles, ligaments, and all kinds of other things underneath, including organs too. One piece, huge piece from head to toe. So with that, if we have a very healthy, toned muscle, the skin which covers the muscle should be healthy and looks toned, right? And when you think about this gravity, which is pulling everything down, even at this moment, this is what we have right now, the face, present face. And when we look up, we look different, we look younger, because gravity is giving us a natural facelift, putting everything this way. And when you look down, we look older, because gravity is putting everything down this way. So why not tone our face muscles in order to get the most benefit from whatever the skincare product or facial you're getting? Because muscle is a foundation of the skin.